there was gum in there.
Yeah, there's one piece, and I'm chewing it. Just have 10 pieces. Ugh. Medium peppermint. Tastes like some awkward kind of vodka.
SpongeBob style.
It's okay. I've seen that one so many times it's not funny anymore. Mm-hmm. Blackfield Brides. They're so hot. Don't give up so easily, Maggie. It's okay. We all are a little retarded sometimes.
But her time is all the time.
Maggie, what do you like?
Crumbs.
What else do you like?
Burnies.
Who's your most favorite person in the world?
Ponies.
I thought so. Who do you want for president?
Not Obama. Racist.
What do you think about Republicans?
Ponies. Dumbledore's nipple.
What is you? How old are you?
Clams.
Good answer. Oh my god. If you could be anybody for a week, who would it be?
Clams.
Interesting.
Fantastic. You sound like a real professional interviewer.
If your name was anything, what would it be?
Clam pony.
What's your favorite TV show?
Magic ponies.
They actually aired that? That's horrible. You're like crying.
Shh. Give me away.
Give you away from me.
Bait and Crisco.
Hey, hey. Maggie Scene, you sound like the wind. Stop it. I thought that was the wind. So close. You're gonna mess it up. You're gonna mess up. No.
Yeah, and then maybe you shouldn't have torn them all apart.
Like a boss.
Hilarious.
Maggie, it's okay. Start again. I'll give you a free box of crayons. But hello there.